Welcome to a Foxy Tech Tips tutorial on deleting your Pinterest boards on mobile. If you find this tutorial helpful, please consider subscribing to my channel and liking the video. Open up the Pinterest app and tap on the profile icon in the bottom right corner to get to your profile page. Hold down on the board you want to delete. Then slide your finger to the pen icon to open the editing options. Scroll to the bottom of the options and tap delete. Tap delete again on the pop-up. Alternatively, you can open up the board you want to delete. Tap the three dots button at the top right of the screen, then select Edit Board from the options. Tap on Delete Board and click Delete again to confirm. And that draws an end to this tutorial. Please like the video if you found it helpful, and subscribe to Foxy Tech Tips for more Pinterest tips and tricks.